So the cavalry came out to see what we were up to at the boat landing, why we were in the area. Had Daisy and I hanging out at the boat landing again. Phew. And we're gonna go swimming down there somewhere. We can get down there. I don't know. But we'll see. But what a beautiful little lake. Or big lake, actually. Gorgeous place. Not too busy. Parking lot's relatively empty. It's a big parking lot. Huge parking lot. I bet this gets really busy in the summer. But, yeah, here we are. Hanging out at the boat landing again today. They took our license and checked us all out. We're good. Say wave hi for YouTube. And they're off. Beautiful, beautiful little boat landing in North Carolina. There's a few other people hanging out. I don't know why they didn't check them out, just me. But once again, there's the lake. It goes over there. There's a path over there too, but that's across the parking lot. That's gonna be a little hot on Daisy's toes, but we'll probably go swimming this afternoon. Yeah. And off they go. Gave me a lecture. Yeah. Oh, if people show up turkey hunting at the camp place that I'm at, you have to leave. I'm like, yeah, there's nobody there. There hasn't been anybody there. Not even driving in, so I don't think that they're gonna care. And there's Walmart's. I just don't want to stay in Walmart's. It's nicer in the woods. So we're gonna try walking down in there today, because the game warden said we could go swimming here. Just not at the boat landing, only on the sides. And there's a couple places. So the cavalry took off. Phew. Oh, I'll be so glad to get back out west. This is ridiculous. Everywhere I go. Everywhere I go. The police want to know who I am. My ID. Good thing I have a perfect driving record. My band's all legal. Oh, goodness gracious. All right. Well, y'all have a blessed day. We're signing out. It's awful hot, but we're staying cool. Daisy's playing with a pine cone. Here. Oh, a stick too. Here, say hi, Daisy, to YouTube. Say bye, guys. Have a blessed day.